Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to generate a Wi-Fi history or WLAN report in Windows 11 or Windows 10 using a simple command. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, connects slowly or randomly drops the internet connection, this hidden report can help you find the exact problem. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and then type here CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry, select here Run as Administrator option. When user account control prompts, click on the Yes button. Now you need to type here netsh space wlan space show space wlan report. After that, press enter on the keyboard. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so you can copy and paste in case you requires it. Once the report is generated, you will see the path here. Just copy this one path, select it and right click, it will be copied in the clipboard. Now press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and paste the complete path you have copied from the command prompt. After that, click on the OK button. This is your complete Wi-Fi history report. This report is very useful for troubleshooting internet and wireless internet problems without installing any third-party software. That's it. This is how you generate a Wi-Fi history or WLAN report in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.